Unpopular opinion. Some industries deserve to die if they refuse to adapt. I'm David Marinek, and I'm watching a $50 billion sector slowly commit suicide rather than try something that costs less than half a mediocre employee's salary. And honestly, maybe they should die, because the companies that replace them are going to be incredible. The packaging industry, $50 billion annually in North America alone, is literally choosing death over a $1,500 solution. These manufacturers will spend $85,000 on a new rep, hoping that rep saves them. They'll blow $25,000 on trade shows where no decision makers show up. They'll hire consultants for six figures to tell them what they already know. But ask them to spend $1,500 on something that actually works, something new. We don't have the budget for that. I've watched the same conversation happen dozens of times. They're not broke, they're stubborn. And stubbornness in the age of AI is a death sentence. What fascinates me is the psychology behind industry-wide suicide. It's not just individual companies making bad decisions. It's entire sectors choosing extinction over evolution. Here's what I see happening. First, collective denial. When an industry is failing the same way, it feels normal. Everyone struggling with sales becomes an excuse instead of a wake-up call. Second, shared delusions. They all believe the same lies. Trade shows still work. Relationships matter more than discoverability. AI won't affect us. Third, comfort in company. It's easier to die with your competitors than live by adapting alone. But here's the brutal truth. While they're all failing together, new companies are being born that do everything differently. We're witnessing the greatest divide in history. On one side, industries clinging to methods that stopped working 5 years ago. On the other, companies built for the AI age from day one. The packaging manufacturers who survive won't be the biggest or the oldest. They'll be the ones who became famous for solving specific problems, who make their expertise discoverable, who embrace AI instead of hiding from it. I'm already seeing this happen. Small custom packaging company here in Ohio just landed 3 major contracts because they created content about their specialized pharmaceutical solutions. While their $50 million counterparts, they remain invisible online. The companies that'll thrive understand one simple truth. In the age of AI search, invisible expertise is worthless expertise. If you're in the industry that's struggling, ask yourself, are we adapting or are we dying together? Because here's what the thriving companies figured out. The solution isn't more expensive. It's different. A $1,500 discovery session I mentioned before, it's not about the money. It's about the mindset. Companies that invest in becoming discoverable will dominate their industries. The choice is yours, but choose fast, because while you're deciding, your future competitors are already being built. Some industries deserve to die because they refuse to serve their customers better. They deserve to be replaced by companies that will. The question isn't whether your industry will change, it's whether you'll be part of the solution or part of the problem that gets solved. What industry do you think deserves to be disrupted, like the packaging industry? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to be part of the solution, drop me a line. Love to help you. Please, if you like the video, please like it. Please subscribe and share it as well. Let us know how we can help you.